1942, when computers were humans, not machines, a group of female mathematicians were recruited to complete secret research for the US Army. Jean Bartik was one such computer. In 1945, she was hired to compute gun firing tables for the US Army. That year, an electronic device which could perform this task automatically was invented. Bartik was chosen to work on the new machine which was called ENIAC. She and the team taught themselves ENIAC's operation and became the world's first programmers. After her work on ENIAC, Bartik went on to work on BINAC and UNIVAC and spent time at a variety of technical companies as a writer, manager, engineer and programmer. Even though Bartik played an integral part in developing ENIAC, her work went unrecognized until it was documented in the film Top Secret Rosies, the Female Computers of World War II. This film tells the true story of women and technology that helped win the war and usher in the modern computer age. Bartik went on to become a strong advocate for increased participation by women in science and technology.